Transform your e-commerce game by seamlessly connecting Printify and Ecwid today. First, let's get that essential connection sorted. Log into your Printify account. Navigate to the My Stores section in Printify here. You'll see an option to connect a new store. Click on Connect and then select Ecwid from the available platforms. This will prompt you to authorize the connection. You'll be redirected to Ecwid to grant Printify the necessary permissions. Simply log into your Ecwid account and approve the request. Excellent! Your Ecwid store is now connected to Printify. The next crucial step is syncing your products. In Printify, browse the product catalog and select items you wish to sell. Click the Publish button for each product you want to add to your Ecwid store. Printify will automatically push these products to your Ecwid catalog, including descriptions, images, and variants. Now, let's configure how orders are handled. Head over to your Ecwid admin panel. Look for the shipping or fulfillment settings. You'll need to ensure that Printify is set up as your primary fulfillment provider for the SINS products. Within Printify, you can often set up automatic order fulfillment. This means when a customer places an order in Ecwid, it's automatically sent to Printify for production. Experiencing connection issues? Common culprits include incorrect Ecwid store details or insufficient permissions. Double-check that you've logged into the correct Ecwid account during the authorization process. If you encounter persistent problems, Printify's comprehensive support documentation is your best friend. You can find detailed troubleshooting guides there. By following these steps, you'll have a robust and efficient printment operation, streamlining your e-commerce journey.